Hello everyone, KNWX here. I know it's been a while, I know. But I've been just taking a little break away from the weather stuff. I'm aware we had Hurricane Ian, and all these other types of bad storm events, but I am back because I want to talk to you about the upcoming blizzard that I don't think Michigan has seen in about 4 decades. So Uh, this could be right before Christmas as well, just in time for the holidays. So, fa la 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 la, let's get right to it. So, as we can see, this trough digs in. Look at it, it becomes like a tropical storm inland. Like, here, let's go to our, this is so that people who do have pivotal weather can see it. Look at this thing. A 961, a 959 millibar. Alright, now here's the bad thing with that. This is GFS, by the way. So the main reason why I've been waiting to post about this is because the uncertainty between the GFS and the Euro and the NAM, it was all over the place. But now the GFS just went full again. Just last night. This thing, the GFS went full uh Euro, and I'll show you the Euro in a second. Just look at this thing. 50 plus mile per hour wind speeds all across Michigan. Oh, let's not even talk about Canada. Holy bajolies on a cheese stick. We're talking about 80 mile per hour wind speeds up in Maine. That is not good. Not good. We're seeing like a tropical storm inside land. But this is going to be having some like tropical storm stuff over here. While over here you get just bands and bands of snow coming and it keeps on going. Now we're gonna use Katria. Katria. That's how I say it. If you don't say it like Katria, it's fine by me. As you can see, look at all this snow. Here, let's get a quick zoom in of this. All right, here we go. Look at all that snow. That's so much snow. Snow everywhere. Snow, snow, snow. Now, the GFS at this hour starts going crazy. I feel like the Euro puts it in a more respectable manner. So let's look at the Euro. Actually, the Euro produces more snow. So over here you have probably 7 to 10 inches of snow. Over here you got 40 inches of snow. So this seems like it's gonna be possibly the worst area to be. Is around here. And usually in Michigan, that's one of the worst places to be in weather wise if you don't like bad weather. But just look at these wind gusts. These wind gusts are crazy, and this will drive in and definitely put in blizzard conditions. So that's why I'm saying we got to be really careful with this system because the blizzard conditions could be possible throughout. This isn't the only threat, guys. Let's look at the wind chill. Oh my gosh. I don't want to talk about this too long because I know like everyone's got to have heard it at least once by now. Look at this crap. Negative 15. This is gonna last a while, guys. You can see there's a bit of a warm front, but look how defined this explosion of Arctic air comes in all at once. But I am seeing some relief in the near future, as you can see. The GFS has also been pointing toward a possible heat up scenario that could just warm everything back up all over again. We haven't looked at the precipitation rate for the Euro, so let's take a look. Let's look at that. It's perfect. Look at all this heavy snow. Now, of course, snow totals cannot be 100%. This stuff keeps on changing. Not only that, this is This is, I know it says high resolution, but you know, this stuff usually does not mean this. All right. Over in Michigan, you're gonna be dealing with a 978 part of this low as it moves out. But let's take a quick look at the NAM. Oh my gosh, the NAM? Yeah, you heard me right. We're on the NAM as well. Look at this thing. We're setting up for a perfect scenario on the NAM. It seems like. Let's go to winter weather, Katria, because of how cold it's gonna be. Oh, look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this crap. This is amazing. I know I'm sounding like Reed Timmer or something right now, but I love this. This is right before Christmas, and getting this would be just heavenly. I mean, the wind gusts are also gonna be crazy again. Very end of this model. We ain't even fully done with the system yet on this model, and these wind gusts are coming in really early. Low pressure is right here, and it is just gonna have blizzard warning just from here to here, I think. Here, let's actually take a quick look at the snowfall. So we could have blizzard warning stretching down from here all the way down over here, but I feel like the state that will most likely be most impacted is Lower Peninsula, Michigan, or Upper Peninsula, Michigan. I mean, they always get this. The reason why I'm saying Lower Michigan is because we haven't seen anything like this in, again, 4 decades. So this will be very impactful. This could be right before holiday travel. If in a snow squall, avoid driving on the roads if you receive an EAS wireless and you're on the highway and all of a sudden snow starts to fall, that is definitely got to be snow squall. That means pull over and do not keep on driving. Uh, we might have a chance of roads being shut down all across the state. With the high wind speeds, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a widespread power outage outbreak right before this cold, hard freeze. So that would not be good for us because if outside during this, you could get hypothermia in maybe less than 30 minutes outside. So make sure to layer up, prepare yourself for one of the coldest cold spells we have seen in a while. I mean, we're talking sub-zero wind chills. If you're over here, you're screwed. Okay, this is cold. You do not want to go outside in this, but you don't get like blizzard conditions where you're gonna lose power. No, no, no. If you're here, I got a good feeling you're gonna lose power, man. You might lose power. So, you want to try and prepare for the worst in case if the worst does come to happen. I haven't taken a look at the NAM 3K yet, but I guess while I'm here, let's take a quick look. So as you can see, here's the cold front right now, just bringing it in. Something I noticed is I feel like it's not dragging up the warm air as fast. Oh my gosh, this is insane. The low pressure. Where is the low pressure centered? All this snow is determined on where the low pressure decides to get centered. So this is being forecasted to go across Michigan, rapidly intensify, and just we get slam, slam, slam. Because we pulling moisture off of the eastern seaboard and just coming it around, and it's gonna be going crazy. So, think of this as the whole United States is around here. You see this low pressure. So pretend like over here is like the eastern seaboard or whatever. Imagine this is the ocean. It'd be sucking in that moisture from there and just dragging it around and just spreading it everywhere. We could be seeing a bomb cyclone. We're talking all the stops. So let's take a quick look at the National Weather Service. Alright guys, so here are the current National Weather Service warning advisory display. As we can see winter storm watches being just distributed around the around the Midwest. Michigan will probably be seeing winter storm watches by the morning, at least tomorrow morning at least. I mean, we'll probably see watches come in this afternoon. Blizzard warnings could be issued as early as Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and that is when they will probably start issuing, like, and pull out their full forecast. But the question is, where will this hit? Let's go check out one of the National Weather Service stations. Let's see. Alright. I decided to pick the one in Southeast Michigan because I'm an NPC and decided to. So this is Detroit. Office. Late week system. A powerful winter storm will impact the Great Lakes region Thursday and Friday up ahead of the holiday weekend. The combination of winds excess of 50 miles per hour and falling snow will likely turn into travel disruptions across Southeast Michigan and just so much stuff. This keeps on changing, however, la la la. Um, the weather honestly is gonna be pretty dry upcoming to this, but here you go. Slow pressure could move a bit more north. I wonder if that'll be bit better or worse for me, because I want snow. But let's take a quick look also at the Winter Prediction Center. Alright, so here's one of the things for the Winter Prediction Center. As you can see, this is Thursday forecast. We do not have Friday, I believe, yet. I believe? Maybe. Hold up. If I do this, what'll happen? But anyways, above 1 inch, let's see. We the more red you are, the more troubles you could be in. This is inches, by the way. Chance of 18 inches should have been 0. But I guess you got 1% if you're in that brown. I don't think Wisconsin's going to be hit too bad, so I wouldn't worry too much. Alright, here we are at one of the other Winter Prediction Center options. So the hardest hits of the storm are going to be Saturday and Friday. So this is day 3, Thursday. No, this is Friday. Then this is Saturday. So these will be some of the most destructive. I mean, look how low this thing gets. At 976. They're forecasting now. But this is going to be huge, guys. Let's go take a look at one last thing, just in case if you wanted to see this. There you go. Alright, this is Friday, 1 a.m. So this is from now to Friday, 1 a.m. impacts. Of course, not too much, because, again, we gotta wait, alright? We gotta wait. We do not have the full Friday forecast yet. We will be coming out with that soon. I'll probably make another video on Thursday, but let's go take a look at one last one. There is also this. So this is showing up for Wisconsin because this is gonna first hit Wisconsin before it hits Michigan. La da 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 da. As you can see, this seems there could be some freezing rain possibly through over here, but you can see that heavy snow. It's coming in. It's getting ready. So just be ready. 100% be ready. But yeah, I might have one more thing, but if I don't, I'll cut to something else. Alright, the last thing is this. So as you can see, I will be able to see all reports. Like if I go over here, severe drought. I'd like to mention that Southeast Michigan is now in a severe drought, sadly. I know, but we thought it'd go away, but apparently it's supposed to persist through the season now. Heavy snow, risk includes all these areas that you are being able to see. So if you are anywhere in here, you have a chance of heavy snow. And if you're anywhere in here, you have a chance of some really high winds. But yeah, that's just about it. There's not much else to go through, so give me just a second. Alright, I hope that'll do everyone for today. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Comment down below if you'd like to see me post more. And yeah, bye.